Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and Windscribe. To get started, in 2025, Express and Windscribe have both strong VPN options, but they cater to different type of users. ExpressVPN is known for its top-notch security, ease of use, and fast speed. It works well for streaming on services like Netflix, Disney Plus, and more. And it's backed by strong privacy policy and third-party audit. It's solid choice for users who want a smooth, reliable VPN experience without much setup. Talking about Windscribe, on the other hand, offer a flexible and a budget-friendly VPN option. It comes with a generous plan and lets users build a custom paid plan. It also includes strong privacy features like hat blocking and has a more hand-on techie feels. However, it depends on its speed and streaming access can sometimes be less reliable than ExpressVPN. And here's the very conclusion. So you can simply choose ExpressVPN if you want a fast and published VPN that just work, and go with Windscribe if you want more customization or a good free plan without sacrificing too much on privacy. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.